Hello everyone, welcome back to Drips and Dazzles. We are continuing with the second part of assorted saris. These saris will range from 750 rupees till 4000 rupees. Let's start with the video. The first sari is a very nice Lehriya print sari in Chanderi cotton. The color is nice pink color, Rani colorish with orange and beige prints, which is Lehriya prints. And the border is a nice Rama green color with zari border, and this is the pallu of the sari. It also has a blouse piece in the Rama green color. Please take a screenshot of the sari, and if you like it, send it to us on WhatsApp and we'll have the details. Ghicha sari, a sunny ghicha sari, a nice beige color with pinkish red border. And it also has very very thin zari weave in it. Very nice formal wear sari. This is the pallu of the sari with similar zari lines. This also has a blouse piece. I'll show you the blouse piece in the same red color, pinkish red color actually. This is the look of the sari. Very elegant looking sari. If you like this, please send the screenshot on WhatsApp and we'll have the details sent to you. The next sari is a linen kalamkari, semi-linen kalamkari sari. The border is satin and the body is linen in black background with kalamkari prints all over the sari. And this is the rust reddish color kind of a border in satin. And this is the beautiful pallu. Look at, and it also has a blouse piece in the similar rust reddish color. I'll show you the print. This is the kalamkari print, very pretty, and this is the border. Very pretty sari, very nice for daily wear. This is the whole look of the sari. If you like it, please send a screenshot to us on WhatsApp and we'll have the details sent to you. Semi ghicha sari with motifs in red and blue color all over the sari. This is the pallu of the sari with very nice prints. This is all not a print, sorry. This is all work, thread work, and this is the blouse piece is plain with thread work on the border. You can use it for your hand sleeves and backside. This is the whole look of the sari. Very nice, elegant sari. You can wear it on formal occasions. Organic ghicha sari. Very pretty. Nice, beige sort of greyish beige kind of a color. And the work, this is all weaving work done inside. This is blue color, and this is the pallu. Very nice. This is not prints. These are thread work done. Okay, and the blouse piece is this with the border. You can use it on the blouse sleeves in it. This is the look of the sari. If you like it, please send a screenshot to us on WhatsApp. This is again a ghicha sari with organza pallu. It also has small organza and buttas as a stripe in the sari, whole sari. I'll show it to you. See, look at this. This is a thin organza weave inside with buttas, okay, golden buttas, and the pallu is a organza pallu. This is the organza pallu. Very nice color, very beautiful. Take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp if you like. Saris are my personal favorites. These are pure modal silk saris. This is a very beautiful, very soft material modal. Look at the fall of the sari, very beautiful, so comfortable. It's very pretty. This is a nice blue color sari with black and greyish prints all over. And this, look at this pallu, beautiful pallu. It also has a similar blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. The sari, very beautiful, very elegant, very good for daily wear, very good for occasional wear also. Take a look of the sari, and if you like it, please send a screenshot to us on WhatsApp. Last sari is a stunner. This is also a modal, pure modal silk sari. with zari border, very apt for the upcoming festive season. Very beautiful zari work, nice red color with black and grey bluish print, and the border also, look at the zari. I'll show you the zari design because it has this mango design, which is in three different three different designs of this same motif. This is a beautiful sari. This is the pallu, and this is the blouse piece. Very nice blouse piece, very contrast, not contrast actually, but very beautiful blouse. Very nice. If you like this, send a screenshot to us on WhatsApp and we'll send you the details. So this is the end of the video today, and I'm sure you have liked all the sarees that we have showcased. If you have any queries, please send it to us on WhatsApp. You can send it to your comments in this video, and stay tuned. Thank you so much.